Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
The boy eats chicken. Wait, I have to start all over.
Okay, start from the beginning.
The Dragon and the Boy by Jaden.
Ooh, nice one. That's the boy? Wow. That must be the dragon and the boy. Nice.
Now I read.
Okay.
The boy lives in a castle and the dragon lives in the volcano. The boy eats chicken. And the dragon eats the boy.
Nice.
The dragon has wings and flies.
Wow. Ooh. What's the dragon doing right there?
What?
He's
shooting fireballs?
Shooting fireballs?
Uh-huh.
Nice. Did he hit? And the end.
The end.
Good job. Give me a big smile. Good one.